Safety is of utmost importance on a steep job like this. All of our men are tied off. All of our equipment is OSHA approved. We prefer to work in teams rather than spread ourselves out on the roof. On this project, we started with the garage guest house, completed that, and now we're on to the main house. This is a standing seam metal roof system provided by Fabrel. It's a custom color. All of our trim is custom designed. Our custom trim is notched and fitted. Our titanium underlayment is a synthetic underlayment. Makes it really easy for us to install. It's 100% waterproof.